Justice with Judge Mablean will be life because in everything we do, it involves the law. Where's your witness?
In the evidence.
That's hearsay.
It's notarized.
I still say it's hearsay.
She's fair.
You gotta help these young men learn how to do this the right way.
Yes, Your Honor.
She's firm.
Can I say something, Your Honor?
No, I don't
Okay.
need to say anything else.
She's honest.
I'm not your child and I'm not your friend. That's the order of the court. Goodbye.
This is Justice with Judge Mablean.
All rise. Both parties, raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
I do.
Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Mablean presiding.
Thank you. You may be seated. In the matter of Renee Baxter versus Hannah McGuire, Ms. Baxter, you're suing her for $2,000. You said she's constantly harassing you for harassment. And Ms. McGuire, you're countersuing for $550 for monies paid to her daughter for your hair.
Yes, that's right, Ms. Mayor.
Okay. It's a very interesting case, I might add. So let me hear from you, Ms. Baxter.
Yes, Your Honor. Unfortunately, I'm here today suing Hannah in regards of she has been harassing me.
How?
She's been constantly calling, texting me. She's been reaching out to me on social media. She's also have called my home line trying to get a refund that my daughter, Selena, that she sent her some money to do her hair. She was a hairstylist, sorry.
So your daughter, Selena, it was a hairstylist. Now, I
Yes.
understand Selena has transpired.
Yes, she passed
Sorry
away.
to hear that.
Thank you.
Your daughter was a hairdresser and was supposed to do Ms. McGuire's hair?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, and so that's why she's harassing you and trying to get that money?
That's correct, ma'am.
Okay. Is that the $550?
Yes, ma'am, that is.
Okay. And she's calling you, how many times would you say? How long has this been going on?
This has been going on for the past, I'd say about three, 4 months.
Okay, now how, you said harassing, what is it causing you?
It's causing me so much grief because the situation of my daughter's death has already been hard for me.
What happened?
The situation is that my daughter was at a party with her so-called boyfriend, and she was actually with her boyfriend at a party, and it was some guys gambling, or I'm not sure the whole detail, but a shooting took place, and my daughter was actually shot.
In the crossfire?
In the crossfire, and she died.
It's pretty sad.
Yes.
My condolences.
And it's been really hard because
yes.
she
Here.
was only but 19 years old.
Oh my.
And she helped me so much. Thank you.
At 19?
19.
Wow.
I was proud. I'm still proud of her.
My condolences. And now, so she's calling you. You calling her?
Yes.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
20 years old.
Yes, Your Honor.
And so tell me, how did this $550 come about?
So originally, I did send Selena a $200 deposit to lock in some braids for my friend's birthday trip. I told Selena that I needed, not regular just fox hair. I wanted human hair, but the human hair prices, they're totally expensive. Selena said that she had a plug for it. She said, I can go ahead and just send her $350. She'll order the hair for me. So I've been coming to Selena for a few months now, to the point where I trusted her enough to send her the money on its own. She said she'd order it in 3 weeks and it'd be there.
And she died in between that time?
She did, Your Honor.
And when you called her house to ask, did you call Selena first? Did you call her number first?
I inquired Selena a few times leading up to my appointment. I texted her, hey, Selena, like, are we still good for this date? It wasn't like Selena not to answer. So I did text her a few times. And then her mother did, unfortunately, give me the news that Selena did pass.
So you had Selena's phone and responded to her text by using Selena's phone?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And let her know that she had died?
Yes, I did. I informed her that Selena had passed away, and unfortunately, she won't be able to complete the services. And I did that.
Had you not heard that Selena had died in the community?
No, not at all. We
Okay.
weren't close friends, so.
Got you.
Coming up on Justice with Judge Mablean.
I wouldn't necessarily call it harassment.
I think she called me over 60 times. That was just the times I
Over
didn't.
60 times.
Yes.
That's the first time you said that number.
And later,
You saw red.
I saw red because
You
it
ready
was
to
just
hit it.
disrespectful. And I grabbed my iron skillet. I did not swing it. I grabbed it, didn't pick it up. He just took off running.
if you'll be in the Los Angeles area and want to bring your case to court, call 1-888-552-6878. You're watching Justice with Judge Mablean. We're back with the case of Renee Baxter, who is suing Hannah McGuire for harassment.
So, hearing and knowing that she's dead, why did you keep calling her mother for the money?
Well, originally, I did want a refund of the $550
And who
that
was
I
supposed
gave.
to refund it?
Her mother.
Why?
Well, it is her mother and that's her daughter, so you would assume that she has access to her bank account.
See, that's the mistake you made, assume. Why are you going to assume she has access to her bank account? Your mother got access to yours?
Your
Huh?
Honor. No, Your Honor.
So then why you assume that Selena's mother has access to hers?
I mean, she did just fairly pass away. Not
Why
too
did you
long
assume
ago.
she had access to her bank account?
That was assumption.
No,
I
you just
had
wanted your money back.
I did. I
And
did.
so you thought that I want my money back, her mama ought to give it to me. Selena was an adult, right?
Well, I mean, she was still living with her mother.
I
so
didn't
she's
ask you
not-
that. She's an adult. She was an adult.
Yes, Your Honor.
That contract was between you and Selena.
Well, I had asked about it, and the thing is, we could have talked about it. I understand that maybe that couldn't have been possible.
Talked about
originally.
what?
Well, the thing is, I sent her an extra $350 for
Sent
hair.
who's her?
Selena.
What did you send her mother?
I didn't send her mother,
Not
mother
one
anything.
penny.
Yes, Your Honor.
So let me explain the world to you. This is how it works at death. The person that owed you the money died and didn't do your hair. First of all, that gives her a justifiable excuse for not doing your hair because you're dead.
Right.
And if you wanted the money refunded, you have to sue her estate, assuming that she has an estate and she has something that she's left. You haven't even determined that she has an estate. You have to go into probate court if you want to sue her, sue Selena for the money that you gave her. But when someone owes you a debt in your belief, you are only entitled to collect from the person that owes you the debt. Her mother, we're not responsible for the debts of our children, not at all. In life nor in death. I don't want to belabor the point. What I want to do is to teach you a lesson, and you as well. When a person dies, some debts are collectible after death. Some debts are not. But the way you collect those debts, or the way you try to collect those debts, is you have to file a claim against the person's estate. If that person doesn't have an estate or doesn't probate or an estate, if your claim is big enough, you can file and open one yourself on her behalf so you can get your money. But under these circumstances, your $550 claim was not big enough for anybody to worry about, because the cost of filing the probate matters, at least in the state of California, It's substantially more than that. Cost you $1,000+ just to file the case. Now, harassment. How did you get to $2,000? No, your counterclaim is denied. How did you get to $2,000?
This young lady harassed me day and night. It didn't end. Like I said, she called my home phone number. She called my daughter's cell number. She reached out to me online.
How many times did you have a conversation with her?
I had a conversation with her, wow. Maybe it was a few times.
A few times?
Yes.
Were they short?
Yes, for sure, they were short.
And you just simply said your daughter was deceased?
I said she was deceased, and that was on, oh, excuse me.
Okay, I wouldn't necessarily call it harassment.
I think she called me over 60 times. That was just the times I didn't.
Over 60 times?
Yes.
That's the first time you said that number? Your phone?
Multiple numbers. My daughter's Selena's
Every number she had for you?
Every number, social media.
What's she doing on social media? You went to social media too?
Yes, Your Honor.
What'd you put on social media?
I just texted her Instagram a few times. I just wanted to talk.
No, you wanted your money. Told you. What you should have done was sought the services of an attorney and gotten some legal advice to determine if you were entitled to anything and how do you get it. So I think you went a little overboard. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $500. Now it's your turn to pay.
All rise.
Judge Mablean has ruled in favor of the plaintiff. The defendant has been ordered to pay $500.
My final thoughts to you is that by you constantly harassing me, it was not called for.
I just believe that it didn't have to get this far. If you would have answered the phone when I called, we could have talked about this and we didn't have to be here right now.
Coming up,
A cast iron skillet?
Cast iron skillet. Like she said she saw red. Oh yeah, there would have been red, all right.
It's not as heavy as it looks, Your Honor.
Why did you grab that cast iron skillet?
you're watching Justice with Judge Mablean.
In the matter of Sabrina Franklin versus Henry Miles, Ms. Franklin, you're suing him for $1,000 for damage to your vehicle.
Yes.
And you're saying, nope, I was trying to get away from her,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
that's why I damaged her vehicle. So now let me hear from you, Ms. Franklin.
The fact is, I asked him to leave my house after we had a disagreement about him paying the medical bills of our oldest son. He said that he shouldn't have to pay it. He didn't want to pay it. He said he didn't have any money because he just got back from a vacation and he wasn't going to give me any money. And then he said that our son being sick was because of me and my lack of care. And we disagreed. We got into an argument. I asked him to leave. I said, you need to leave. You're getting disrespectful. He continued on.
Did he live there?
No.
Okay.
He was there to pick up the kids.
All right.
And I asked him to leave. He wouldn't leave. And then he wanted to start bragging about his trip that he took. And he actually...
His trip that he took with?
With his new girlfriend.
Oh, you're leaving out of
Happens to be
detail.
a former friend of mine, yes.
Who was a friend of yours?
She was my friend. Yes, she was.
Oh.
Can't trust him.
Okay.
So we got
Some
into an
friend.
argument. I told him to leave. He wouldn't leave. And then he said, well, you know, you're just jealous because you want to be with me. She looks better than you. And first of all, Your Honor, never does she look anything better than me. And he would not leave. So I'm going to be honest with you. We've been through a lot. I've known him since college. And I put up with so much with him. I saw red.
And he's the father of your two children?
3. We have
Three?
3 together. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You saw red.
I saw red because
You
it
ready
was
to
just
hit him.
disrespectful. And I grabbed my iron skillet. I did not swing it. I grabbed it. Didn't pick it up. He just took off running. He didn't see if I was going to swing it or not. He just took off running to the car. And I stayed
What,
on
he
my...
was supposed to stay there to see if you swung?
I hope not. He did the right thing.
Oh, okay.
Coming up,
Because you said, I saw red.
He was being disrespectful, and that has nothing to do
Both
with him
of you
agreeing to
were
pay
being
for the damage.
disrespectful to each other.
you're watching Justice with Judge Mablean. We're back with the case of Sabrina Franklin, who is suing Henry Miles for property damage.
You have insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Did the insurance pay anything?
Yes, they did.
So the damages was substantially more than $1,000.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your deductible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm needing the $1,000 deductible from him.
Okay. I think they sent me the pictures, right? Oh, just a rear end. Oh, a bumper scratch.
I mean, it's a dent. It's a dent, and I had to get it fixed.
Oh, of course you had to get it
And he
fixed.
needs to pay.
And I think the total cost was $4,400,
Yes, ma'am.
and you need your deductible was $1,000.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and that's what you're asking him to pay.
That's all I'm asking him to pay.
All right, that's not so bad. Well, let me hear your side.
Hello, ma'am. Everything she's saying is her side of the story and what she's saying happened. I go over there because it's my day to pick up my children. And when I get there, my children aren't there. I guess they're on their way back from her mother's house, which is fine. But she uses this time to tell me about some medical bills that I didn't hear of yet. And I did just get back from a vacation. I didn't tell her that right away and throw it in her face like she's saying I did. She wants to know, can I give her money for these medical bills? I didn't tell her no. I said, I don't have it right now. Can you wait? Can you wait? Can you give me some time to pay these bills? I can get them to you. Just give me at least a week. So I'm literally walking out, and she decides to grab the frying pan.
That is not true.
I
And
think you brought it.
I did bring it, Your Honor.
A cast iron skillet?
Cast iron skillet. Like she said she saw red. Oh yeah, there would have been red, all right.
It's not as heavy as it looks, Your Honor.
Why did you grab that cast iron skillet?
Because I was asking him to leave. He was
But what were you going to do with the skillet if he didn't leave?
Who knows?
Judge Mablean's verdict when Justice with Judge Mablean returns. You're watching Justice with Judge Mablean.
The moment you picked up that cast iron skillet, you put him in the position of believing and fearing that his life was in danger, which it was. Because had you hit him with that skillet, you would have knocked the hell out of him. He did just what an intelligent, sensible person would have done. Because you said, I saw red, meaning furious.
He was being disrespectful, and that has nothing to do
Both
with him
of
agreeing
you
to
were
pay for
being
the damage.
disrespectful to each other. I think you were both at fault in this. And so therefore, I'm going to make both of you pay $500 each. Because when you left and got in a vehicle, you have to pay attention to what you're doing in a vehicle. But I say that you caused it and you put the chain in motion when you raised that iron skillet. He was supposed to get out of there as fast as he could. And when someone is nervous and, worried about their safety, yeah. But you started that. So the judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $500, so be it.
All rise.
Judge Mablean has ruled in favor of the plaintiff. The defendant has been ordered to pay $500.
I'm just disappointed.
I'm glad it's all over. Could have cooked me with that frying pan. Could have cooked me.
All right, your day in court is now over. Gather your things, and your legs are right behind you.
This has been a production of Allen Media Group.